A marriage nobody understood. Thomas is 80 years old and lives in a giant mansion. He has millions of dollars but no family. One day, he announces he is marrying Lily, a 22-year-old girl who cleans houses for a living. The news shocks the city. Thomas's lawyers and neighbors are angry. They look at Lily and whisper mean things. She is a gold digger, they say. She only loves his bank account. When he dies, she will take everything. Lily stays silent. She just holds Thomas's old shaking hand and smiles. For 3 years, Lily takes wonderful care of Thomas. She cooks his favorite meals, reads books to him when his eyes are tired, and pushes his wheelchair through the garden. She never asks for expensive jewelry, cars, or clothes. She still wears her old jeans and simple t-shirts. Even though she is kind, the world still judges her. People wait for Thomas to pass away so they can see Lily take the money and run. One winter night, Thomas passes away peacefully in his sleep. The next day, the lawyers call a big meeting to read his final will. The room is packed with reporters and distant relatives who want the money. Lily sits in the back corner, wearing black clothes. Her eyes are red from crying. The lawyer opens the document and reads Thomas's final words. "I leave my entire fortune of $50 million to my wife, Lily." The room goes wild. People shout at Lily, but she remains perfectly calm. Lily stands up and walks to the front of the room. She takes the legal document, turns to the reporters, and signs her name at the bottom. But she does not sign to take the money. She signs a document to give all $50 million to a children's charity. The room goes completely silent. Lily looks at the crowd and says, "Thomas was my grandfather's best friend. When my family lost our home years ago, Thomas saved us. He was lonely, and he knew people wanted his money. He married me so I could protect his wealth from greedy people and give it to poor children." Lily walks out of the mansion with nothing but her old backpack, leaving the world completely speechless.